Hello, good people. This is Sherry, and I'm going to show you what I made with this piece of material. Let's go. You know, as creators, whenever we're out and about, we see things, and they may have a certain purpose, but we can see another purpose. We can see where we can repurpose this. And so that's what happened with this wallpaper panel. I was at Family Dollar and this wallpaper panel was $3. I said, oh my goodness, I'm going to pick this up and see if I could make some earrings. On the back, it gave some examples for how you could use it, and it's waterproof. And it's a 10 by 16 metallic panel. It's water resistant. It's cutting machine friendly. They said it's hand trimmable, so that means that you could cut it with scissors. So I said, okay, all right, I'm picking this up. Because it was self-adhesive, I looked in my stash and I found this piece of cork fabric that I could put on the back of it, and it would look nice. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut my cork fabric and cut my metallic wallpaper and get to making some earrings. This has a good amount of adhesive on it, so it's going to work really well to attach my fabric. Now I'm laying this down and trying to make sure that I lay it down straight and don't have any air pockets or anything in it. So it's very important to smooth it down so that you make sure that you have it attached fully. So now I'm ready to cut it. I'm going to cut it on my Sizzix die cut machine. This is kind of like an old school cutting machine. It's the very first one that I had, but I still use it because it's great for cutting materials that I can't put in my laser. So with a die cut machine, you have a die. This is called a die, the shape, and then you put it between two plastic plates. They call it making a sandwich. And you roll it through the machine, and the machine cuts your shape of whatever die you have. So that's what I'm doing here. There are updated models of this machine, and I have a link to one in my Amazon store. So if you're interested, I'll have my Amazon store link in the description, and you can go and check out all the materials that I use in different videos. It cut this shape out very nicely. We're almost done. All I need to do now is put a hole in my material and put my ear hooks on, and I'm done. I am I am getting ready to drop an e-course, and I have a wait list to gauge the interest. So if you look in the description, there is a link to get on the wait list for the e-course. My name is Sherry, and I am the owner and designer for Sharika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we help you create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. If you like this video, I hope that you'll subscribe. I am on my way to 10,000 subscribers, and we have over 1,000 DIY videos having to do with jewelry and other arts and crafts. So I invite you to join the family. We have a Tuesday live subscriber chat where we go online and show each other what we do. We have so much fun. We encourage each other. We help each other with different issues that we have regarding our creativity. It's just really a great group of comrades. All done, and this is what we have. I'm really happy with the way that these turned out, and I'm going to be looking now whenever I pass that wallpaper. I'm going to be looking to see if there is a design that I might want to use. Now when I go into Dollar Tree or Family Dollar, I'm going to stop by that that section as well. All right, good people. You know the drill. Please like, share, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this design. This is Sherry, owner and designer for Sharika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we help you create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. Don't forget to check out the description for the link to the e-course wait list. It's going to be really, really great. All right, good people, this is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.